Welcome to our third travel episode. Today we are in Ella, Sri Lanka. This is the most famous place, 9 Arch Bridge in Ella. Climate is changing quickly. Due to heavy raining, we stopped travel and returned to our guests. Next day early in the morning we came to see Ravana waterfall. Ravana Falls is a popular sightseeing attraction in Sri Lanka. It currently ranks as one of the widest falls in the country. This waterfall measures approximately 25 meters 80 to ft in height and cascades from an oval-shaped concave rock outcrop. After that we headed to Flying Ravana Mega Zipline. The 2-wire zipline stretches for more than half a kilometer, slides at 80 km/h, and offers a bird's-eye view of the beautiful hills of the island, offering ATV or quad bike rides, abseiling, archery, and air rifling for a gripping outdoor experience. After that we went to Pool Club by 98 Acres Resort and Spa. Our second hike in Ella was to Little Adamas Peak. The Little Adamas Peak, 1,141 meters high, is fairly easy to climb, with a good path all the way up. Views from the top are truly breathtaking. Ella is considered to be one of the most beautiful parts of Sri Lanka. We are highly recommend this places to everyone. Please keep these places very clear, don't put any garbage in here. Thank you everyone, see you in next episode. Subscribe our channel, turn on notifications to get more videos. And don't forget to like, comment and share.